What up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to stop lagging on Roblox on your desktop. So let's get right into this. There's two easy things that you can do to essentially stop lagging. The first one is to go to your router itself or your modem box, unplug it from the back for 30 seconds, both of them if you can, and then plug it back in. You'd be surprised. This is like a reset that should be happening like at least once a month on your like router and modem. That essentially helps kind of like speed up your internet connection. You'd be surprised this happens so much. Like I've done this so many times. I would recommend folks to do this. Why or how, but I don't know, but it just ends up helping fix your issue. The next thing is on the computer itself is to go to your search bar and type in network connections, right click into whatever you're connected into, so either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and then go to properties, then click into where it says Internet Protocol version 4, click into properties, change obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server address, and change the DNS server to 1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Once you do this, you guys should be good to go and not lag on Roblox any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please pass it up. Guys, and shut up, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.